Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are driving to another beautiful resort town on the Aegean coast of Turkey. We are coming from Ayvalık, so it's going to be about a 4-hour drive according to Google Maps. So we'll just take the route that Google Maps recommends, and I'm gonna show you where we are on the map, so let's check it out. So that's Turkey in between Europe and Asia. The Aegean coast is in northwestern Turkey facing Greece, and this is the route that we are gonna take. Looks like it's gonna be a mix of coastal and mountain roads, so that's exciting. See what the road looks like. Is it gonna be a scenic ride? We don't know yet. And at the end we'll check into our hotel and let's see what it looks like. So come with us and enjoy the ride.
Alaçatı. Beautiful Alaçatı. Enjoy. Yes, nice, beautiful, interesting town.
Merhaba.
Galiba. Look at this beautiful man. impression on the top of the bedside table.
Welcome to the bedroom.
Actually, the rooms
So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Look out for the next one where we will explore what Alaçatı has to offer. Bye for now.